How do I compare the performance of multiple email campaigns in LISTSERV Maestro? In the previous tutorial, we discussed how to access the tracking metrics for a single email campaign. Now, let's look at how we can compare the performance of multiple campaigns. To view all of the jobs that you have sent, open the main menu and click on Mail Jobs. Under Completed Jobs, you can click on any of the mail jobs to access the open up, click, and sharing metrics for that job. To create a combination report or to compare the metrics of multiple jobs, simply highlight all of the jobs of interest. In this case, let's look at the customer survey example that we sent out in the follow-up job tutorial. The first thing that you'll see is the overall open up and click metrics for each of the jobs in the series. You can click on the bar charts to get more details about each job. In this case, the initial survey email and the 3 follow-up emails that were sent as a reminder to those who had not previously clicked on the survey link. Now, to create a combination or comparison report, simply right-click on the highlighted jobs and choose Create Combined Tracking Event Report. On the next screen, you will see multiple options for customizing the report. The first option allows you to choose whether to create a combination report or a job comparison report. If you select the combination report, you will see the total open up and click rate for all 4 jobs combined, including a time distribution chart for when those opens and clicks occurred. If you used personal tracking, the Recipient Details tab will show exactly which subscribers opened your messages and clicked on your links and how many times. If you select the job comparison option, you will instead see the same metrics but for each individual mail job, allowing you to easily compare the performance of multiple jobs. You can use the checkboxes to customize what data to include in the report. The time distribution chart allows you to see when each of the jobs in the series was sent out and their respective open and click events. You can save the report for easy future access by clicking the Save button. This will make the report available under the Reports section. You can rename the report for easy identification by right-clicking on its title, followed by Rename. You will notice that the main report also contains automatically generated sub-reports. These allow you to take a closer look at the open and click metrics of an individual job or an individual link. All of the reports are downloadable in PDF format or as a spreadsheet, allowing you to analyze the data further and to easily share it with your colleagues. Thank you for watching.